Yo, good morning, my fellow YouTubers. How y'all doing, bro? I'm doing good. I'm doing great, actually. Why? Because I'm about to go put my hand on some swine. Yes, Lord. I want to start off by saying, be grateful this morning that you got the chance to wake up and do what you love and want to do, because in some countries, that's not fortunate for most people. And secondly, man, be safe. It's 30 degrees outside, and it's really cold. Ice on the windows. So if ice is on the windows, ice may be on the road. So drive carefully. Put those phones down. And last but not least, man, hopefully y'all we get on this large group of pigs that we've got on before, and hopefully we're able to seal a deal on at least one. Two, I ain't trying to be greedy, but we seal a deal on 2 pigs, 30-degree weather before the workday start. I say that's a win-win situation. But y'all stay tuned, enjoy. It's about to be some action. Perfect breakfast, bro. What that? Some Doritos?
Dr. Pepper and Doritos.
That's how you stay young and cute like that. Fuck out of here.
No. I think he killed it. I think he killed it. He ain't gonna make it. More suicide curves, bro. And that motherfucking BigMac.
Yeah, he had it, huh?
I was trying to get there, man.
Come on, come on.
Calm down. Oh, you mad? just wow. All right, I don't know where to begin. This was like a really good hunt. Very eventful the whole day from start to finish. Dog struck out as soon as we hit the tree line, and it was ball game. Like, just hands down hogs. Well, piglets and hogs everywhere. As you know, it's just like picking blackberries. Human nature, we're gonna go all around the edges, and we're never gonna go in the middle to get those big juicy blackberries. We're gonna pick everything around the edges, all the easy stuff. And it's the same thing with dogs and hogs. At least with my dogs. I can't speak for everybody. Some people say, oh, my dogs only go after big hogs. Kudos to you. But I know from my dogs and just me being, you know, me analyzing the situation in general, there must have been at least maybe 30 to 50 babies on the ground. And right when the dogs run in, it's just like everything scatters, and there's these little piglets grunting and squealing all around, and the big hogs are just gaining ground. You know, they're gone. They're gone. So the dogs running around, dude, I mean, it sounds horrific, but the dogs must have killed at least 10 babies. You know, it would show treed, and then boom, it would stop. It'd show treed again, boom, and stop. And like every time you start running, you know, it's like it's a waste of time, because by the time you get there, the dog done killed it and it's on to the next. You know, they did a good job relaying, but they didn't relay on any big hogs, unfortunately. But like I said, that's not the point. The highlight of the hunt is dogs were on hogs. Luckily, BigMac trailed the group of saw some babies, and he was able to trail them all the way back to me, and that's what you see in the video. When I watched him come all the way to me within like 30-40 yards, and when I heard him catch the piglet, I trucked it all the way over there, was able to grab the piglet. The piglet seemed dead. You know, it seemed like the ribs were crushed. He had a few puncture holes on him. But, you know, we put him in the book sack, and after that, it was like he started kicking and grunting, and like, man, that thing is supposed to be dead. But the piglet is indeed alive and healthy, and kind of getting them, you know, somewhat back to health, and we're undecisive about what we're gonna do with it just yet, but it's not gonna be turned back loose. So, you know, that's definitely, because they're a nuisance, man. You're supposed to kill them all, but I mean, I was able to catch it live. I mean, I didn't want to just pass a knife through the piglet, you know. But anyways, great hunt, a lot of action, a lot of good dog work. Dogs were on hogs. Unfortunately, we weren't able to stop a big one, but we got on plenty. Y'all stay tuned, man. There's gonna be a lot of outdoor action this year, bro, for Suicide Outdoors, especially those suicide curs. They're gonna be putting in a lot of work this year, and hopefully I can catch it all on video to share with you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Enjoy.